And that's the harvest. Gonna do some garden harvesting today. I'll pick as much as I can. Supposed to be some bad weather in the next couple of days, so oh wow, these are all right now. I should have my scissors out here. These are nice. So I'm gonna head into the front of the garden here, and right in the front I have a little pepper patch where I have a bunch of variety of different peppers, from Scotch bonnet, jalapeno peppers, sweet peppers. I have wicked ghost peppers, you name it. I grew a whole bunch of different varieties, and I have some also in my greenhouse. Those I'll be able to grow later on into the season and have a longer harvest going. But so far, I'd say the harvest from the front of this pepper patch turned out extremely good this year. I was able to harvest a bunch and also preserve a lot of different variety of peppers. And every one of these peppers that I'm harvesting, I started them all indoors in my grow tent. And I tend to start my peppers indoor, I want to say from March, latest April, due to living in zone 3B in Canada. So that way I can maximize my yield throughout the season. This is one of the many chipmunks that live in the backyard. Anytime I'm outside gardening, I think I spend more time feeding these chipmunks and birds than actually getting anything done. Okay, these are my Scotch bonnet peppers. I was just feeding the little chipmunk there. So I'm just gonna pick the ones that are really ripe right now, and then leave the ones that still could get ripe on the plant. But it's been really hot out, so I definitely need to turn on the water tonight. Nice, nice. Think there was a little bit of hybrid situation going on here. Yep, the wind was bad, so 40-kilometer winds blowing over the plants. These birds. I've only been gardening for the past 4 years, and it's a lot of trial and error. But yeah, I started throughout the pandemic there. It was something to do while we were all social distancing. And ever since then, I just kept to it and still been doing it. Each year the garden grows more and more and more. This is a lot. My girlfriend, she's helping preserve some of the stuff, and jarring, canning, vacuum sealing some of them. But I didn't realize the garden though was this demolished. It's dry. So I'm gonna probably have it going as soon as I harvest, have the water on. I have my rain point timer hooked up, but I'll put it on manually for now since I'm outside. There's a lot of peppers, and there's still more. I'm just picking the ones that's ripe. I'll get these. Yeah, these are overripe. They're starting to crack. I assume this jungle here. Yep. This is gonna be a long night. Don't bite me. I have to go in and go grab another basket. It's gonna be a long night. First year growing these type of tomatoes, yellow pear shape, and I've been harvesting non-stop. And then I have my chocolate cherry tomatoes. This is how it looks when it's fully ripe. And I'm gonna go through, harvest as much as I can. I have until October to harvest everything. Okay, that's some Scotch bonnet right there. Like I was saying earlier, it was my first year growing the yellow pear-shaped tomato and the chocolate cherry tomato. And these two varieties, they're indeterminate, if I said that correctly. But meaning, as long as they have a grow season, they'll keep on producing and you could keep on harvesting as long as your season allows it. But once the winter and the frost comes, that's it basically. These tomatoes are really good. I'm gonna go on the next side here. Finish harvesting up in the back here. And then go inside the greenhouse and grab the last of the peppers in there. But these are some of the peppers inside the greenhouse. I could only show a few of the stuff in here. I got a couple plants I can't get on the camera. But if you want to see those plants, let me know in the comments. I'm sure most of you guys already assume what it is. But yeah, I'm going to go through, harvest up these peppers. And once I'm done that, I have to go get the potatoes and then bring everything inside. But if you enjoy the content so far, remember to drop a like on the video. I heard it's splashed there in the ground. I won't dig too deep down with my hand. I'll just grab what I can off the top here, then get my pitchfork and start working my way down. Oh, it is a worm. Fishing worm. And so far, yeah, some of them rotted in the ground. They were ready to harvest. So look at that. That's gold right there. And that's the harvest right there. But if you enjoyed the content, remember to drop a like, share, subscribe, and if you want to see my future videos and update, remember to hit the notification bell, hit all, and thanks for watching the video, and like always, and there's still a lot more to go. I just picked the set that were basically ready and ripe, and the other stuff could wait till they're more ripe on the tree. But if you enjoyed the video, remember to drop a like, share, subscribe, and remember to also hit the notification bell and put it to all. And hey, remember, grow what you eat what you grow. And until next time, guys, take care.